Trying to pull a fast one on old Wheezy, are you? Listen. I got those dad reflexes now. Okay? So... watch out, Jack. Welcome back to What We Drinkin'. I'm your host, Wheezy-C. For those of you that might just be joining us, thank you for tuning in, and for those of you that have been here, welcome back. We're gonna make some margaritas, baby! Tonight we're gonna be making the margarita. I'm only gonna do it one way. You can have this drink a number of ways. You could drink it like classic daiquiri and serve it up if you want. You can make it on the rocks, which is what we're gonna do tonight. You can do like a smoothie thing. You can do like a frozen blended drink, crushed ice. It's delicious. Okay, guys, so what you're gonna need for this drink is a shaker. I'm using the Boston style shaker. This is just my preferred way. It looks like this. You have 2 tins. That's what I like to use. You're gonna need a jigger to measure everything in. You're gonna need Blanco Tequila. Tonight I'm using a tequila that I haven't tried before. It's called Luna Azul. It smells really good. You can use any tequila that you like. If you don't like Blanco or Silver tequila, you can absolutely get a añejo. I think I said that right. You can absolutely do that. I like tequilas with Blanco though. As long as you have something that's 100% agave, you should be good. You should be looking all right. And then you're gonna need some triple sec, but you can also make this with Cointreau, which is a liqueur. If you do that, just be aware Cointreau adds a little bit more alcohol to the drink because it's a higher proof than just triple sec. Triple sec, I believe, is only like 15%. And I want to say Cointreau is like 40. It might be 40 proof. I can't quite remember. But you can use either one. I like using triple sec. Just kind of depends on what you have. I've used both. They work great. Tonight we're using Morez. It's like $6, so it's awesome. You're gonna need some fresh limes, and then I like to add just a very small little bit of semi-rich simple syrup. This is optional. You could do it all triple sec. I feel like taking 1/4 ounce out of the triple sec and using just simple syrup really helps the lime and the tequila like really shine in this drink. For our garnish tonight, I'm just gonna do some lime wheels. I wanted to go get tiki umbrellas, but I couldn't make it out. And then I'm gonna do, at least on the first round of drinks, I'm gonna do a salted rim just to show you guys. A lot of people really like drinking it that way. I'd take it or leave it. Just give me the booze, man. That's all I want is the booze. I'm just gonna start with one to show you guys, and then we'll talk about it, have some sippy sips, and then we'll make Jane's and me at round 2. So I like to build in the big tin. Oh, you know what? I do want to try just a very small little snifter. Smells really good. I can't quite describe the smell of it. It's tequila. This one kind of has like an earthy note to it. Like, smells really good. Like a little bit of dirt, but like dirt in the best way possible. Does that make, Let's try it. Ooh, dude, that's good tequila. Holy shit. I could probably do that on the rocks. I'm not gonna lie. That's a really good tequila. I like that. We're gonna start with 2 ounces of tequila. Again, you can type exclamation "What We Drinkin" in the chat to follow along if you want. 2 ounces of Blanco Tequila into our big tin. I'm doing this kind of backwards, as you were behind if you were working at a real bar, you would go with your cheapest ingredient first. I'd probably do like simple syrup, lime juice, this, and then that. I've always started with my spirits first. It's a very hard habit to break. We're not behind a real bar anyway, you know? All right, then we're gonna need 3/4 of an ounce of triple sec, Cointreau, whatever you got. We're gonna go like that. 3/4 of an ounce of triple sec. And then we're gonna do a full ounce of lime juice. Fresh limes if you can get it, of course. If you can't, I'm sorry for you, but pre-bottled juice will do just fine. Just fine. Okay, so I mentioned this in the daiquiri episode, but I really like my margaritas and my daiquiris to be on like the almost overly citrus side, just because they can be such sweet drinks. If you don't want to do a full ounce of lime juice, it's too much for you. Just start scaling it back by 1/4 of an ounce. It's a good place to start. All right, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. For the simple syrup, in the recipe I put down 1/4 of an ounce. I just eyeball it. I got the speed pour thing. If you don't, I would say, you know, measure out 1/4 of an ounce. It's just a splash, just to kind of help bring that sweetness back up, because we're not doing a full ounce of that. So literally just like that much. Nothing major. All right, before we shake that, I'm gonna go ahead and get the glass ready. I'm gonna take this little lime half that I got here, run it around the rim, and just like that. Ooh, that's a salty rim. Woo! You got a salted rim. Give it a rim job. Never mind. All right, so that's how you do that. Let's go ahead and mix this drink up. I love the salty rim. A lot of people do. I like a little bit. Whenever I do it for myself, and not for like a show, I do like just a little section of it with salt on it, just so I can, like, if I need to, I can like drink, hop over. You know? So we got our lime, we got tequila, triple sec, simple syrup into our shaking tins with ice. Oh, you know what I'm gonna hurry and do? I'm gonna get some ice in our glass. I like to do this while I'm shaking. We're gonna put a good amount of ice in there, just to kind of help the glass get chilled. All right, guys, I'm sorry if I blow your eardrums out. It is what it is. All right, let's shake it up. So you want to go, I don't think you can really tell on camera, but you want to go till the tins start to get frosty. Maybe you can see that line I made. I don't know. Doesn't take very long. These Boston shakers do a really great job at mixing. All right, that should be good. We don't want to over mix. I'm gonna grab a Hawthorne strainer. You could open pour this drink if you wanted to. I like having fresh ice in there. And then we're gonna strain this bad boy right into the glass. Get every last drop out of there. Just like that. And then I'm gonna take a lime wheel. A wheel of lime. And I'm just gonna kind of place it in there like that, and then we're gonna do a couple straws next to it. I feel like those straws are like really tall, but there's a margarita, guys. Looks fucking awesome. I love that lime wheel on the top. I don't know if you can really see it. I gotta get my overhead camera set up, but it just looks beautiful. So, guys, cheers. Thank you so much for being here with me for another episode of What We Drinkin'. I really do appreciate it. Whether you're watching live or you're watching this as a VOD on Twitch or you're watching this as the What We Drinkin' show on YouTube, I appreciate you, and I'm not gonna get all sappy. You know, we're fine. We're fine. All right, cheers, y'all. Thank you so much. Oh my god. I love margaritas, dude. Oh, dude, that's so good. That tequila is fucking awesome in here. I don't know where I got the idea. This is like an orange flavored liqueur. So I kept using a full ounce of it and getting like it was still a really good drink. But I was like, you know what? There's just too much of that orange flavor that taking away from everything else. So I just cut this back by 1/4 of an ounce and then replaced it with just regular simple syrup so I didn't lose any of that sweetness. And I've been making it this way for years. Same recipe. I don't know if I saw it somewhere. I don't know where to credit it, but that's the way I've been doing it and I swear by it. So if you try it for yourself, that's what I recommend. But if you don't want to do simple syrup, you can just use a full ounce of this. It's still a really good drink. I happen to have simple syrup because I do this. So yeah. Guys, it's so refreshing. One of these straws got cut slightly lower than the other one. And so now it makes a weird noise whenever I drink out of it. I think we're good. Like we were talking about before, you can do a variety of different ways to prepare it. You can have it up, you can have it on the rocks like we're doing, you can blend it. This is my favorite way. I mean, you're at like you're at a party or you're at a resort or something and they're making frozen blended margaritas. Go for it, because it's a fucking vibe, man. It's awesome. But just at home, this is actually one of those drinks too where I will just shake and open pour when I'm making it for myself because I don't mind. I'm banging them out quick, you know? But I've served margaritas like this before and I think it's just, I don't think you'll be disappointed, you know? Oh, I love it so much. I'm gonna keep it a hundo. I'm gonna keep it a stack. No capping with you guys. I didn't do my research on the margarita for tonight. I apologize. Being sick and working today, getting everything set up. Just kind of ran out of time. So we're gonna make 2 more of these puppies. Let's start out with 4 ounces of tequila. If you guys are following along in chat with the exclamation "What We Drinkin," this is just gonna be timesing everything by 2. So instead of 3/4, it's gonna be 1.5 ounces, half an ounce of simple syrup, 2 ounces of lime, 4 ounces of this stuff. Tequila. That's what it is. I remembered. Dude, we've only had 1 drink. This is gonna be a rough stream, y'all. Little heavy pour, that's okay. All right, 4 ounces of Lunazul tequila. We are gonna do 1.5 ounces. I think my math is right on that. Correct me if I'm wrong. No, it is. I'm right. Fuck it, I'm right. We're gonna go 1.5 ounces. Like, if I had known I was gonna be cooking and doing, like, getting into cocktails so much, I so would have paid more attention to fractions in high school. Like, oh my god. It would have been so nice. Okay, 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. We're gonna cut a lime in half. We're gonna need 2 full ounces of lime juice for this one. Again, if you can't get fresh limes, you can't get fresh limes. It's all good. The bottled stuff is still gonna make a good drink. Just not as good. Won't reach its full potential of good. I'm Sorry, John Mellencamp, I'm using you as a coaster for my salt. We're ready to shake, rattle, and roll. I'm gonna get some ice in our glasses. You could even serve this over like one big cube if you wanted to. I just like having... I like having the rocks in there. I think it's good, you know? A little bit more. So the reason that I like to build in the big tin instead of the little tin, this gives you like the perfect amount of ice to shake with. That's the only reason. You could build it in either one. I just think this gives you like just what you need. So, dump it in. See what I did? See what I did? Sorry for your eardrums. We're gonna give this a good shake and then we're gonna strain it into our rocks glasses. Don't forget to smile while you shake it. All right. All right. Let's strain these drinks. I think Jane's has like a slightly bit more in it, but that's okay. All right, let's do a little garnishy. I'm gonna plop that guy right on top. I don't like to, if I can, I don't like to totally submerge the lime. I like that little bit of green just like popping out like right at the top. I think it's awesome. So the whole reason I'm doing the straws tonight is so I don't fucking just take these straight to the dome one after another. That's why I got the straws in there. Try to take it a little bit slow. I don't know what there isn't to like about this. I just don't. Oh, it's good. It's a girl's drink though? No, no way. No way. I think a margarita is very unisex. Very gender fluid, this drink. I don't know if you could really like pin a gender on a cocktail. I would have to say that, not having worked in a bar, just from like a general guessing, I would say like a Cosmo and I don't know, there's cocktails like Cosmo, Sex on the Beach. I feel like those would be generally ordered by your female customers more. That's just a thought. I'm running with it. I have no experience in it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me for another What We Drinkin' segment. It really means the world to me. I love doing this and I love having you all here for it. Cheers. Thank you. Just so you know, last week's episode is out on YouTube if you want to learn some White Russians. Just saying. Alright, I'll meet you over at the stream setup. Thank you guys again. Peace out.